Hey, it's Yuri Experience, and today we are talking about how often shall you change and clean things at your home. I hope that you do wash things at your home, like towels, your bed sheets, or some other kind of sheets, maybe your tablecloth or kitchen towels. I just hope that you clean them or wash them from time to time. Also, you need to change sponges for your body or for your dishes also from time to time, and you need to change your clothes or clean your clothes or wash your clothes also from time to time. If you don't do that, I am kind of surprised. And why don't you do that? It's so unhygienic. Anyway, today we are talking about why shall you do that if you don't do that anyway, and how often shall you, based on my experience and experience from other people, change different things at your home. First, why? Most of us know that we need to change and clean things, but do you really know why? I mean, not only because it is dirty. It is dirty is not really a definition. There are exact reasons for that. And basically, there are reasons. There's actually more or less one reason, except for the dirt that you leave on different kinds of materials, be it your clothes, towels, whatever. You also leave there your sweat with some nutritional things. You also leave there maybe some oil and fat from your skin, and you also leave there dead skin cells of your body. And these are perfect nourishment for bacteria, for some kinds of bad mushrooms and stuff like that. And if you touch your skin then afterwards again with some cloth that is full of bacteria, it can have bad influence on your skin, on your health, and you can develop really bad issues with your skin. Also, if there are a lot of bacteria on these materials, they smell bad because bacteria produce bad smell, and also these things don't fulfill their purpose anymore. If you have a towel, you wash your hands and you use a towel, but the towel is dirty and is full of bacteria, that means that afterwards, if you pick your nose or whatnot, you basically bring the bacteria from the towel to your nose and inside of your body. And as you know, with a kind of popular virus nowadays, it's not a bad thing to do. So what shall you do? Wash things that you have from time to time, or change them if you cannot wash something. For example, there are a lot of plastic things or things that are usually made out of plastic. You don't usually wash them, you just buy a new one. Let's start with the bathroom. There we have usually towels. I personally have two kinds of towels, a towel for my body and towel for my hands and face. Since I use a towel for my hands and face more often during the day, in my personal experience and also based on the opinion of other people, you shall change these towels every day or every second day. Body towel, I personally don't use as often. I use it maximal once per day, but since I use it on a daily basis, I recommend taking a clean one once or 2 times a week. Then we have a sponge for our body. I personally have a sponge, but my sponge is made of cloth material, which is why I can throw it in wash machine and wash it. I don't need to buy a new one every time that I need one. If you use a sponge or some kind of sponge that is made of other materials, then you probably need to throw this one away and buy new one. How often? Around once per month is a good number to start with. Then we jump to the kitchen. There we have normally towels for hands and towels for drying dishes, and both of these I would change every second day depending on usage, maybe every third day. And also you have something to clean your dishes, and I personally have also that thing made of cloth, so I can throw it in the wash machine and wash it when I need to. And that thing I would also recommend changing in around 1-2 times per month. Bed sheets. This is something that in my personal opinion is changed way too rarely by most of people. I personally recommend changing them 1-2 times per 2 weeks. So either every week or every second week. One of the main reasons for that, you spend there around 8 hours, and I recommend you to spend there 7 to 9 hours, which means you leave a lot of your body parts, dead skin cells, sweat, oil, on all of the bed sheets. And also it is normally pretty dark in there between different parts of bed sheets, which is why it is a great place for bacteria to develop themselves. And that's not something that you want to have, which is why please don't change it once per 2 months. Every week, every second week, maybe once per month, but better, in my personal opinion, every second week is a good thing. Now briefly about clothes. We have socks and we have underwear and undershirts, and you shall change them after every usage, after each wearing, because these things are closest to your body parts, closest to your skin, which is why they get also the most of the dead cells and oil and sweat. T-shirts and other thin pieces of clothing that you wear on top part of your body shall be worn around 2-3 times. After that they shall go to wash machine, because material is thin and also you have again a lot of surface that touches your body. Pants, shorts, pullovers, hoodies, all of that can survive 5, 6, 7, 10 wearings without going to a wash machine. You don't really have to wash them that much. Obviously depends on your usage. If you are going to the gym, your gym gear comes in the wash machine after each usage. There's nothing to discuss there. But if you're just wearing some jeans, then you don't really need to wash them as often. I think I even read an opinion from Levi's co-founder or something. He said that Levi's jeans shall be washed only once when they are bought. And that's all. I don't really agree with that opinion, but it is an opinion that exists in this world. Stay clean, because being clean helps you to stay healthy. Hygiene is one of the things that helped humanity to make a huge leap towards survival and towards living longer and healthy and more or less happy lives. Which is why one part of staying clean is clean yourself. Also use clean things to dry yourself, or use clean clothes to wear them, or use clean bed sheets to sleep in. I think it makes sense. I hope it also makes sense to you. So please take care of things that are in your home. That's all. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. You can also subscribe to the channel. I do different videos about different topics, and next time I will be talking about the fact that you shall support what you like. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, please drop them in the comments. I will try to respond to them. Also, I will maybe do an independent video about that, or I will read about the topic first. I do not know everything, but I do know a lot. That's all for today, and see you next time.